Theta United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at 92 cents, or so they fundamentally thought. The genuinely current exchanging volume of Theta organization generally is at $8,703,616, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Theta organization basically is as of now esteemed at 60 cents bull control Theta's truly current cost activities in a truly significant manner. 22 October 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts, what by and large is especially transient cost expectation for Theta organization, generally is Theta a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on in a truly significant manner. In any case, prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the Theta specialized examination, especially let us truly discuss the extremely current economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,134,997,981,662, which especially is genuinely huge. The especially absolute exchanging volume really remains at $40,453,921,837, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 51.44% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely huge. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%, which by and large shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 1.54%, coming to $1,631.80 during the past 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $214.35, following a value change of 0.53% inside a similar time span in a truly significant manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.19 and right now exchanging at 52 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which especially is very critical. These occasions for the most part show that the market explicitly is going in a genuinely descending course for truly present moment, exhibiting that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,134,997,981,662 in a by and large enormous manner. As of now, a really broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that the truly current exchanging volume of Theta organization essentially is at $8,703,616 in every practical sense, large way. Theta organization backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so Theta organization support and obstruction levels, and so forth in a sort of significant manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers truly become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support really remained at 92 cents, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers by and large become move dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at 92 cents, all things considered, in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Theta organization, Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization, Theta, generally is at 60 cents, up 0.82% in the very beyond 24 hours, and certainly has a value change of 0.71% over the course of the week. showing that Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so Theta organization support and opposition levels, and so on in a kind of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 8,703,616.00 United States dollars, while sort of absolute market cap came to $601,797,093 United States dollars. There basically are very nearly 1 billion are available for use out of 1 billion, truly further appearance, how the extremely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $40,453,921,837 in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Investigation for 22 October 2023 inside a by and large everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, showing that similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors fundamentally become move all things considered, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting how Theta United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at 92 cents, or so they especially thought. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving really normal intermingling and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving essentially normal, EMA, to in a real sense, break down the future development of the Theta organization, exhibiting that similarly. Obstruction for the most part is a level at which merchants by and large become move exceptionally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how Theta United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at 92 cents, which basically is genuinely huge. The Theta United States dollar moving exceptionally normal union and disparity MACD marker explicitly is demonstrating a by and large present moment, generally sell in every way that really matters, signal is the MACD line especially as moving beneath extremely signal line which in every practical sense implies fundamentally bears certainly are overwhelming on the lookout. Showing how XRP the local coin of RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and really is attempting to explicitly break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, exhibiting how RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and explicitly is attempting to sort of break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The Theta organization especially has truly break all its truly upholds levels, and things fundamentally are not looking truly great for the crypto market, so Theta organization certainly is by and by esteemed at 60 cents bull control Theta's ongoing cost activities in an unpretentious manner. As of now, truly bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take Theta cost underneath the vital help level of 96 cents, exhibiting what truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,907.82 level after a vertical development of 0.22%.